Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, premium audio, and XM satellite radio. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.